Hello everyone, today we're going to make this crochet diamond granny square. It's a really sweet one and again super easy once you know how. Grab your materials and let's get going. For this granny square you're going to need your yarn of choice and a corresponding hook. My yarn is a DK or an 8-ply, so my hook is a 4mm. You'll need your scissors and darning needle as well. For this project I'm using US terminology and I start my work with a magic ring. I actually use a double magic ring because I have found singles come undone. So yarn end in your left hand, wrap your yarn around 2 fingers twice. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through to make a chain. Now for round number 1 you can start with 3 chains, which will count as a double crochet, or you can do the stacked single crochet like I do. You just need a chain there, pop your hook in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, which makes your single crochet. Now pop your hook down through the center of that single crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and that stitch counts as my double crochet. Now I like to start my work differently to others, and this is going to be counted as the 3rd double crochet of a cluster. So chaining 1 for your corner space. Now we're going to do 3 more double crochets to complete this corner. Yarn over, hook in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 1, 2 and 3 double crochets. Now we're going to do a chain for another corner. Another cluster of 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1 for a corner. 3 more double crochets. That's 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1. And now we've done 3 clusters. We need to complete this first one. So before we close up our magic ring, I need to do double crochet number 1 and double crochet number 2 of this cluster. Okay, so take your hook out of your work, gently pulling on your yarn end, you'll see which loop cinches in. Now whichever one cinches in, grab hold of that and gently pull that one. And there the other loop works its way into a nice little circle. Grab your yarn end and there's loop number 2. Now we can join our double crochet number 1 and 2 with number 3 to complete the cluster. I'm going to do a slip stitch into the top of that first stitch that we made. Pull your loop through, now pull the left loop through the right loop. And that's the end of round number 1. Round number 2 we can start right here, and it also is just going to continue like a normal granny square would. You can either start this round with a chain 3, which counts as your double crochet, or you can use stacked single crochets like I do. So that's 1, pop your hook down the center of that single crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, and that's 2. Now I'm going to chain 1 for the corner. I'm going to do 3 double crochets in this same space, 1, 2 and 3. No chain in between the 2. Okay, so I go straight into the next corner with 3 double crochets. Chain 1, 3 more double crochets. That's 1, 2 and 3. No chain into the next corner with 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets. No chain and straight into the next corner with 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, Now what I need to do is finish off this very first cluster with double crochet number 1 and 2, but we need to get our second colour ready because we're going to pick up that colour at the end of this round. So have your colour handy. We'll do our double crochet number 1 into this corner space, double crochet number 2. Now when we need to slip stitch into the top of that first stitch that we made, pop your hook through, picking up your new colour. So a colour number 2, pop that on your hook, pull that through the top of that double crochet that we already made and pull the left loop through the right. Now you can take the tail end of colour number 2 over to your right hand so that you just have colour number 1 and 2 in your left. Round number 3, we're going to be using both colours, colour 1 and colour 2. Each corner is going to be made out of colour number 2. Okay, so we need to carry the other one along with us. So pop that yarn end from colour number 2 in your right hand. Round number 3 can begin either with a chain 3 for your double crochet or as a stacked single crochet, like the way I do it. So pop your hook into the corner, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Pop your hook down the centre of that single crochet and make another one. Now chain 1 for the corner. Now we're going to do 3 double crochets. So carrying colour number 1, we're going to reintroduce colour number 1 at the end of our 3rd double crochet. So yarn over, hook in that corner space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 1, 2, and we're on our 3rd, pull through 2 and hold your stitches there. Now swapping your yarn over, so taking your colour number 1 to the top and holding on to colour number 2. Yarn over with colour 1, pull through those 2 stitches. Now while carrying colour number 2, we're just going to do 3 double crochets in this side. 1, 2, and don't finish off that 3rd one. We need to swap our yarn colours over and finish off this 3rd double crochet with colour number 2. Okay, now carrying colour number 1, we need to do our corner with colour number 2. So we'll do 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, 3 more double crochets, 1 and 2. Now only doing half of the last one, we're going to swap our colours over and we're going to work with colour number 1 to complete that double crochet. Carrying colour number 2 behind, we're going to do 3 double crochet on the side, 1, 2, and finish halfway through that 3rd double crochet so we can swap colours again. Swapping your colours over, yarn over and pull colour number 2 through that last double crochet. Now we're going to use colour number 2 to do the corner while we're carrying colour number 1. Now we're going to do the corner with colour number 2 while carrying colour number 1. That's 1, 2, 3, chain 1, do the first 1 and 2 double crochets, starting number 3 and finishing halfway, holding it there with 2 stitches. We're going to swap our yarn over and pull colour number 1 through that last double crochet. Using colour number 1, we're going to work over colour number 2 and do 3 double crochet. That's 1 and 2. Now 3rd one, finish it off halfway, swap your colours and finish that double crochet with colour number 2. Now carrying colour number 1, using colour number 2 to do your corner. That's 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, do 2 more double crochets, 1 and 2, half of the third, pull through 2, swap your colours over and use colour number 1 to finish off the last double crochet. Now, carrying colour number 2, we're going to use colour number 1 for the cluster on the side. 1, 2, half of the third, changing our colours over, using colour number 2 to complete the third double crochet there. Now we need to carry colour number 1 and complete this last cluster. Well, the first cluster really. Doing double crochet number 1, double crochet number 2. Now doing a slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet we made. Pull that yarn through, pull the left loop through the right loop, and that's the end of round number 3. Now round number 4, we're going to be using our colour number 2. So you don't need to carry your colour number 1 for this one. Either using your chain 3 method or stacked single crochets like I do. We're going to start round number 3 with a double crochet, chain 1 and 3 more double crochets. That's 1, 2 and 3. Now take your time to untangle your yarn because it's going to be quite bothersome as we keep going on. There we go. Now we can get underway with just doing a normal granny square, doing our clusters along the side and our corners with 2 clusters and a chain in between. That's 1, 2 and 3 double crochet, chain 1, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 double crochets along the side, no chain in between, 1, 2 and 3. In the corner, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you head off and continue on and I'll meet you at the end of this round. Now we're near the end of round number 4 and we need to finish off this first cluster with double crochet number 1, double crochet number 2, a slip stitch into the top of the first stitch that we made, pull the left loop through the right, and we're back in our corner. Now I'm going to do another round of granny stitch all the way just because I really want to. I'll see you at the end of this round. There we go, that looks better. I'm going to turn my work over, I'm going to snip my yarn ends off and darn them in. I've got my yarn end from my last stitch on my needle and I'm just going to take that underneath the V on top of the chain 1 in the corner and make a whole new V. Send your needle down the center of the last double crochet that you made. There we go, we have our invisible finish. Darn this one in and we're all done. Here's the last square of all, square number 7. It's our crochet diamond granny square. Another nice, simple, but really effective square. I hope you'll enjoy making some of these and I look forward to seeing them too. I'm going to head off now and get these videos uploaded to you. So I'll see you again really soon. Bye for now.